Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak Perfect English, your go-to channel to improve your English speaking skills step by step. Today, we're going to unlock 5 powerful pronunciation techniques that will help you sound more natural, more fluent, and more confident when you speak English. We'll not only explain each technique, but also give you real-life examples and a fun pronunciation challenge at the end. So, grab your notebook, get your voice ready, and let's dive right in. Word, stress and rhythm. First up, let's talk about word stress and rhythm. English is a stress-timed language, which means some syllables are stressed and others are weak or reduced. For example, listen to this sentence, I want to go to the market. We don't stress every word, we stress want, go, and market. Let's say it together slowly first, then naturally. Example practice. I want to go to the market. Now you repeat after me. Tip. Always stress content words like verbs, nouns, adjectives, and reduce function words like to, the, and. Now let's try a few more. She's going to the cinema. They bought a new laptop. Repeat with me. Linking and word blending. Now let's look at something that really makes native speakers sound smooth, linking and blending. Instead of saying each word separately, we link them together. Examples. Go on becomes go on gives go on. What are you doing becomes what you're doing. Turn it off becomes turn it off. Let's practice. Say, I'm gonna eat it. Listen, I'm gonna eat it. You try. Quick rule. When a word ends with a consonant and the next starts with a vowel, blend them. More examples. Pick it up gives pick it up. Put it on gives put it on. Call him gives Callum. Let's practice all 3 together. Intonation patterns. Next up is intonation. That's how your pitch goes up or down when you speak. This is key for expressing emotions, asking questions, and sounding natural. Types of intonation. Rising intonation for yes, no questions, gives are you okay. Falling intonation for statements gives I live in London. Rising falling for choices gives do you want tea or coffee. Let's practice. Are you ready? Rising. Yes, I am falling. Do you want pizza or pasta? Rising falling. Pro tip. Use your voice to show meaning, not just your words. Practice a few short dialogues with me. Vowel and consonant clarity. Let's move on to vowel and consonant clarity. English has many vowel sounds that are tricky, like Y vs I or G versus A. Let's compare. Ship Y versus sheep I. Hat G versus hut I. Practice. I took a ship. I see a sheep. Now consonants. Some sounds can be hard to. TH sounds gives theta, think versus G, this. R and L gives rock versus lock. Repeat. Think about this. Rock the boat. Tip. Record yourself and compare with native speakers. Shadowing technique. And now, one of the best techniques to improve. Pronunciation shadowing. This means you listen to a native speaker and repeat immediately, copying their tone, rhythm, and speed. Example. Watch a short clip, repeat it as the speaker talks, not after. Let's try it. Native. Hi, how are you doing today? You right away. Hi, how are you doing today? Try a short paragraph with me now. Ready? Native. Today. I'm going to the park. It's sunny and warm, and I can't wait to relax. Shadow it with me. Try it again. Practice this daily with YouTube videos, podcasts, or news clips. Pronunciation challenge. Okay, now it's your turn. Ready for the pronunciation challenge? Try saying this sentence naturally, using everything we learned. I'm gonna meet her at the coffee shop later today. Break it down. I'm gonna meet her at the coffee shop later today. Now repeat it 3 times, each time more smoothly. Post your voice in the comments. If you want feedback, I'd love to hear. That's it for today's lesson. These 0.5 pronunciation hacks will seriously boost your English fluency if you practice regularly. Let me know in the comments which technique helped you most today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly English tips. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep shining with English confidence. Bye for now.